You know, when you were moving, I got them one that we go. I'm going to you. You know, I want to say, and I have been for one money over the guy. I was massive guy who are winning on Panya. Oh, you're not going to get that.
Attitude don't see you. I'll be back to come back. Oh, you know, what did they happen? Hey, how you doing? I don't see what you happen. You got your boy now for one neck, boy. But no mind neck, boy. Hey, my boy, you know. But I know Sagana for yes, shall. Oh, boy. I don't tell you, say I strong pass you. That your boy, we're working now. Wow. Oh, but now, wow. No, it's a big bell, boy. Boy, now, my best, oh, boom. I don't know what did I say happen to a boy? Or you connect. You connect. No connect. You are keep boy also no double. You know where was you? When I connect, you can misbehave. Misbehave, do. My people. How not there now? I just relax since this place. My so water. Okay, oh well. Okay. Okay, no check.
Wait, it's trouble. No, we everyone like coffee. My ear.
We have to support the Kuna. Oh, one mama. You are only a tomato at all. Oh, oh, my own that's not good. Honor engagement is up. Honor our marriage. Oh, my. Where you go? I was one in an Iba Begay. Such as why you go on engagement is up. Honor the way marriage, honor the way you are. But my talk with me at this equal, talk to me at this equal way.
Better in another soon, they are away, man, because they love the way our weapon or apple. Understand?
They love one thing.
So it's not they are working to play, but they always people wise.
Just
Oh, we're Paka. Oh, we're Paka. And I don't know here for Pa. Imagine how
yes, serious with the
man. Okay, I hear that come.
I don't chop come.
Oh, Bona, you regret that you must also the mission in Tereba. You might also see them. You regret. They don't know whether our you or both our idea you will be born. Yeah, we have a walk palace in here, we see Babalesi. Yeah, we worship Babalesi.
I bet not share this.
And the people don't know maybe in La Louis or Bonnie at the Canada or La Leia. And the boss of setting you know set the camera you are.
When I share this video,
Oh, I'm from.
only this video, more let me share now. Only this one.
Baba, then me, Italian, Mena Mumaro Kuro Paladin, and I will wedding. You Eddie Masikuni, Yahweh wedding if we are not going for Requa, eating Nisi Cardine. All professional call you. Present professional call you. If you know, my mother, father, brother, and sister, even taking the rest you what?
There was the woman, you fit the letter for the woman head. The woman get the phone number for you.
I will get them, we are done your way, no capas, no more. When that you are done, you are one.
Abato.
Okay.
Now, so my brother.
Oh, who can see? Yeah, preventer is better than cure. Yeah, preventer is better than cure. Who can prevent it to any?
Okay. Brother, come on,
but what I'm trying to say, where in Wamena, my work, I refo, I see what they do there. I yesterday told this one, I didn't argue privacy. Privacy is the key to every responsible human being because zero eternal zero. Because we are the market better. Where do I the people and every no how can you be in the Western world? Or eternal to your work? No, hello, when you're born by body for what now? How want you say, I want to say, I manage, I manage. Let me live a life. But I want to live in my life because one of my says, hello, you're going to make it money. No matter one your potential with big cash, one with the contract, who are living life in here video.
A marriage na my sister, my brothers and sisters. A marriage na no baro. Era me ku make you give me down back here. Obo obo no my say o je no wa ori ari engagement kiri obo. Ono ukon.
One kind of all do have. Oh, is that like?
Obo, one of go marry this woman. Now frustration they worry Obo. Now frustration.
What that video now? When it be our lane. Because if we they want to condemn women. Here only condemn Manipia. Here only condemn Manipia.
Not be Nigeria now. This one come. This one come from Nigeria.
Oh, yeah, the who?
But I see say women for Europe not good. The one I see carry come for Nigeria and I see the same. That means say no not good now.
How people not condemn them? Here that side of here that go not good, not good. Because the same character with them, only now.
You still don't breed the woman come for Nigeria. The woman not still good. I was say for Kukuma they woman went there Europe.
Oh, 5 years you go now organize it. I know ya move one more. Oh, the sorry, we are out of quality. Also, money and well, it's school now. Yeah, it's school teacher out there. Get up 5 years ago. Oh, yeah, you're teacher put there with all your. I put a second there, or papa's in a purpose. And I said, don't tell what you don't know when I go with them. Yeah, I'm going to we're not going to present today. Upon me, one of the
camera one.
But where I can I cover about 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Yeah, 7 years ago.
One equal what now? Well, I'm not going to work. What you what when you want. Oh, what more you want? Where I will do what you don't love the same man at the same time. I love it behavior at the same time. No bar. Oh, planning how this is way. Oh, my, Nigeria will see. Oh, boy, you don't see. I'm a woman, neck, but when I pop. I'm a woman.
Well, forget if I your boo. Oh, boo, they're not this. Nobody they feel sleep with a boo wife. Native Sagalicious native daughter is not an obo. Sagalicious native daughter is not from Europe. He just say he want to become obo. Abba. Hello.
barrister.
Alice Hood. Hood our phone.
I said, God, drag a phone everywhere.
Now, boy, not do.
You know, see, oh boy, For me, I feel say, na nemesis they catch up with them. Why I say that? Where Obo first fruit, where God take bless her. You know? Maybe Obo no know where they day again. Obo say, before Obo come out for Europe, go Nigeria. You want to tell me so Obo no friend girl? The girl the way they friend, no one get character. Abi? According to some men. Not be go Nigeria. Go Nigeria now, go marry. He said for 6 years, now they try to divorce this wife. He said they won't give the wife paper. He can look, he can say no, they give. I said you give her, but not give her. So they don't born. The pikin will give her paper. Because they say the woman say won't go to DNA. Before that elderly woman could they behave like that, there is something is wrong with Obo. There is something wrong somewhere. Because there be young girl, not young girl. Yeah, I sit there aside. Abi, maybe I found
now IVF, now the woman take born. Now what's the need of DNA?
Okay, if the woman come born with IVF, wow, because they talk about DNA.
Yeah.
Just see Obo for your age.
Because many IVF children, the papa not there now. Where you want to see papa? That they buy sperm now.
Yeah, they use their husband own defense. They use their husband.
So they buy sperm.
For just Obo for your age, you pack load for year, go Nigeria. Nigeria no go, no come. You see pack load, come back. For your age, Obo, you no get woman for house. You go see go work, you go carry brokers, go back, they cook for kitchen. Just look at life. Look at life where some men they live. They're fixing at the women. Now you don't get character. Now you not sabi anything. For both age, because he carry quick, go back, go they cook for kitchen. They say they serve with juju. Now the kind of life now the juju want for a be that.
Obo just they talk say, wait first sister. Obo just they talk say, ina Obo no be Obo. Which day I do Obo last video last week. Is it last week? Not that I do a video for you the last 2 weeks. Obo not the see. Obo no boni dari. That Obo just Obo not the see.
If the woman won't kick Obo out of that house, the woman can do it because they marry for court.
The woman no fit kick Obo out of that house. One, you don't know whether Obo made them.
Even though Obo not made them, because that Nigerian marriage and Holland marriage now the same law. If Obo not made them, and this don't happen, police don't involve. They don't children get a Holland passport. All those twins can give them one that document. Yes, if
the children they are still teenage. They don't they rush document like that, my sister. Obo wife never go school. Obo wife must go school to get that this thing.
Sister, let's face the facts. Obo wife no need to go school before he gets European pass. European.
Obo wife must go. Obo wife must go school. He must go school.
If Obo wife won't go, so you will get European card 5 years. As far as you get Dutch passport.
Now visa, now invite you. Wait first. We are talking about Netherlands law. Now visa, now that woman take the come. You forget say that visa go expire. Now
barrister, wait, Now visa the woman take on. One. Now the man Obo married this woman for court. This is what.
Wait first. Obo married this woman for court. Which court Obo for married the woman?
Nigerian law.
Obo married the woman for court that time. Now let tradition they do.
Obo they talk and say divorce the woman for court. They not fit.
But Obo not to say marry at that time now.
Obo do video. When this thing, he said they try to divorce this woman for court for 6 years. Nigerian law and you know Poland law.
Now, Obo, so you they believe what your Obo they talk. Oh, Obo where you go?
Okay, let's say Obo not marry her for court. But since when this woman daughter born, this woman will not get 5 years EU resident permit in Holland. Yes, it could not get. People do not apply for because they right. Because he gets 2 children where they be Holland citizen. It's a right. You know, it's a right. Ufu Obo says no, he say it. It's a right. Now school come later. The woman not can go because he gets children. School come later. School come. This way happen. It's left for the woman. The woman say, okay, you want to go back to Nigeria.
You know what you they talk now. You see, let that land. Let that land now. Who carry you come? Now you go there on that. If who carry you come reject you, then they say go see reject you. Go ask. Barrister,
do you know say Holland law now, instantly now to get Dutch passport like 10 years. Do you know now? It's good.
No, wait till they tell you now. Wait first.
Now you go carry me come. Now what I know I they talk. First way carry you come if you know what.
The time when you both carry you come. Now quarrel. Wait. The time when you both carry you come. Una quarrel. You get all document. Yeah.
Women you go carry me come. I not stay reach the time. We're supposed to stay reach for living together. Then living together and marriage not the same thing. But I come out. I dey work. Now my work, give me working permit.
Okay. See you see now your own now is different. Obo now.
This woman out now say the same thing.
Obo not be the same. You go look at first because it's one about they come now. Obo wife document never complete. You think say easy like that?
Ask anybody. As this Obo with this woman not work at. This woman have right.
May I tell you, una will say children, wait first. Sister Kola, wait first. You know what They will say children go fit give a document to their mama. Before children go start give document to their mama, Obo must they there sign. Wait. Now wait first. Now wait no. Now wait first. Sister, wait first. We know they argue this one too much. Before Obo, may I tell you, wait till they talk so. Pardon. As this woman, if pardon go favor this woman, as this woman children, get passport. You never even know whether this passport don't reach their hand. If this Obo wife, if the children get passport, if they say pardon, you forget say 5 years when they want to give this woman, it go expire. 5 years, you don't even know whether not 5 years. It can be 2 years. You wait first. It can be 2 years.
Do you wash it yesterday? Not wash it now.
Document when they with this Obo wife now. It can be 2 years document. Because now visa I take home.
Washing machine, I wash it later. Barrister, I want to explain something to you, Holland document, and European document is 2 different things.
Which can be Holland document and European document? Is Holland not be European?
You see, let me explain.
My sister, wait, make her explain these things to you. You know, say sometimes if pikin get document, they go say the pikin go fit give mama. Now, what did they always they talk like that? Like Obo also, before pikin go fit give this woman document as that passport. So this woman don't already get visa. Wait till they enter here. Before
speak for this thing I want to
where you let person talk. The way I want to talk, don't let me forget her. You they let person they talk sometimes. This passport one they talk so. Obo wife don't they come here with visa. Some visa can be 2 years. Some visa can be 6 months. Some visa can, you know me say Obo get passport. Say if he come here, they go just give him 5 years. As far as now visa I take they come here. One Obo wife no go school. You know the reason that one. When my broke his school.
School they come
No. Wait, make I explain that for you. When you talk of Netherlands law, let me tell you. Not be the one when they say you don't tell when I did Netherlands. There is some people your procedure can be easy. There is some people their procedure is not easy. Our born wife was coming to this country when he never born. When did they come? Is it no visa? No be visa I take call. You know whether our born wife now 2 years visa there with her?
No visa, yeah.
You know whether now 2 years there with her? You know whether way fair? You know whether you don't get 5 years? Why want you because of moment, babe? Because you wait first. Wait first, may I talk? You know how to say because Pikin get paper, he go give mama. Where Pikin they give mama paper. If the mama with the Pikin come see salon together, say the Pikin nowhere. As far as the Pikin they under their mother, they must give their mama paper. That is it. But this Obo also, if na visa before the woman they come, Obo not give this woman 5 years. Obo not give this woman passport. The children when they talk now, they be some with children. Now you they talk now. This the children when they talk now, these children they never reach 18 years. They never reach anywhere. Even if say go put in now, Obo must dead there. Obo must dead there. Even if say the woman go put in for passport, Obo must dead there. You know what this woman they do so? You get where this woman will do reach? Everything they go refer and go seek asylum because.
But it's a way I talk this thing. Not be said they say. Now, person where they close to me now it happen to. You know, this lady, if they go, her husband there, her husband go marry her for Nigeria. Her husband get other passport. The woman they go, they come. If they go, they come. The woman come for 3 children for Nigeria. The 3 children.
Okay, so what she say, Kola? What are you saying? Jesus.
The man give the 3 children passports, other passports. So the woman and this husband. Wait.
Hey, how you dey? My personal person. We dey here, oh. Is it Paulo? Oh yeah, go sister Kola.
The husband with this woman, they call the quarrel. This woman, they go, they come, visit, go with visa. This man get 3 children. He give the passport for Nigeria. You know, those kids they never come Europe. Only his wife they go come. So this woman with this husband call the quarrel. Your husband call say no what again. Your husband abandoned them for 3 years. I see how many years.
For where? For where?
For Nigeria.
Okay, wait till you talk now. You say the children, the husband give, the father of the children give the children passport. Yes, he not give the woman for Nigeria.
The woman, because the woman.
You say for Nigeria, not be for Nigeria. The children they wait for the children they Nigeria at all.
Yes.
Then the children get passport. Their mama never get.
Passport for them.
Okay.
So. As the woman go they try, the man know they send the money abandon them. The woman go apply for visa. The woman come Holland with the children.
Wait till they apply for visa.
Because the woman said they go, they come. This is not the first time when the woman go they apply because it's married.
As far as say that this thing when they talk as far as as far as say the woman the man no answer am. As far as say the man Mujafo I know they like long settlement. Now the truth of the matter as far as say na the man said they give this woman visa if the visa expire now the man document go see bring come and this woman cannot go and do the visa by herself. It not dey possible for that one.
Let me finish. I know how you do that visa. I don't know about that one. When the woman come with the children to Holland, the husband not the house. Like labor call the husband say your family come from Nigeria, your family there here. You know. Now the woman come say the man come say he not get family. When the family go back to where they for come. 3 days the man not come house. The labor call police. Police come. You know when police come, they go call the man. Your family come from Nigeria since 3 days. Why you not come? He tell the police, the man come tell police say he don't want the family. family anymore. Now Nigeria, when they go back to Nigeria, from there, police call because they get your call for Nigeria. Because okay, when they first stay there first, when they talk their matter, you know, the guy there Europe, the guy get European cards. You know that the children give their mama paper. They don't need their father. You know,
my sister, this story when you talk so, person will tell you this story now like that person lie. Once somebody if I want somebody now they do your visa they go. Now the document you'll see submit. If the document expire, you want to renew the document. When you wait first, as that now that man, now they renew the woman visa. As the visa of that woman don't expire, now see that same person when they renew and I go see renew without that person, they not embassy not go answer. Person will tell you that story, now lie. You know the possible.
It's not better you go do,
I'm not possible, my sister. You know they let people they lie for you.
If it gets time, go ahead the website, Ahemeti website, go look. If they give mama paper or not, is there. Go and check it.
I'm not tell you say pikin no they give mama paper. This one when you they talk now. Now visa now this woman they come. That visa was my sister, the time when they go school, and I tell you, the time when they go school, a lot of people when they class, that time when they go school. Now the husband I carry the combo, all of them. They school, they never get passport. Now the husband carry the come. A lot of them let that land man I carry the come. Now 5 years now they get so say 3 years.
That's how you just go school. How many years ago?
Which years? They not they change anything. They cannot change it. That they add Jonah. That they add Jonah. That they add Jonah. My sister, that they add Jonah.
How many years ago you take go school?
This is my way he come born for here. Person where he come born for here with person where he come here. From Nigeria go school come. Come they go school, you don't wake up one morning. Because say children get passport, they don't give her passport. My sister leave that thing.
They don't give her passport, they give her. They explain to you, First where Holland citizens give documents.
Fair ask. How many years the woman get? Whether not 5 years visa. And I mean 5 years visa.
5 years European card, not the Holland card. There is difference for Holland card and European cards. If they are the website, go and check it up. This is the fact. Holland card is different. So
when you are saying European card, all those one are story. Who Maria na citizen of Netherlands. If they want to give that woman document, now through Netherlands, I take get visa. Don't be European. UN, not be take get this thing.
I want to ask you one question. No say Holland person where Holland give document, You don't need to work to apply for a passport. Person where children give documents, you need to work for 5 years before you can apply for passport. In their website, this will not be saying no lie, not lie. Check out for Hemeti website.
Okay, this woman now, you know what it there with this woman. You know how many years there with this woman for visa when they come.
I don't know that this woman don't get card, but this woman now you need to go and decide if you want to go to Nigeria or you want to stay here because this woman has right to stay here. It doesn't matter the visa when the day passport.
If this woman have right to, may I tell you, if you say this woman have right to stay here, Obo can collect the children, they go deport that woman back.
Obo not fit collect the children.
Obo can collect the children. You not see Oyibo, may I tell you. You not see Oyibo. Obo can collect it. No, Obo fit collect the children. They will ask Obo. No, Obo fit collect the children. They go ask Obo say, you want let these children stay with you? If you say yes, they go collect and give us. See go more than they will land. Obo fit collect. See where Mujan. Well, Obo no get. Not the Obo carry a con. You say Obo no get right. Where you tell say Obo no get right? This woman no get document. Now who get document? Neither they give children. Who get document get address? Who get document get address? Neither they give children. No, not be say forget that one. Now wait till we not be that. Now who get children? Okay, this one wait first. Now you wait. Let me tell you. This woman, you know, Obo get documents. Obo get house. Obo get resident. If they go court, this woman don't get house. I don't understand.
Barrister,
When you just as it then now, yes, it then now, Oboka remove in there for that house. Obo will remove it. The name no Obo will remove it. No, you when me I talk. You know the let person talk. Mujani me go on. You when me I talk. As you talk, just I let you talk. You when me I talk. You know what? I see this matter there. So once Obo remove her for address, now I don't finish. One, this woman don't get address. Wait. One, this woman, you know, get address again. Obo get document. Obo get house. If they reach court, now who get house? Where children want stay, now that they give children. Now that they give children to. You know, see the one where it happened for Netherlands, when one Oyibo Netherlands guy, when he come see one woman from France, as he both finish, the man say he don't want her again. He need the pikin. That give the pikin to the man. Where Mudra, when may I talk? We will wait the person they talk. So that you yourself, you will get listed here. Not because they jump for issue, they talk. Then what it happen? No say that today internet, the day live. A lot of people use to do live video. They collect the pikin. Give the boy, the woman, no get resident.
you see for TV now. Now wait till you see.
What TV? What it happen? What it happen for Facebook? What it happen for Netherlands? It happen for Netherlands. But you know wait first. Make I tell you this thing. Wait. May I tell you, I not say wait first. Wait. I not say at the saga of Bo. When it comes to documented something, make you not use ignorant to the judge.
Thank you.
Yes, no, they use ignorant. Obo, if Obo say he need those children, Obo will collect those children.
I like this word when you talk, but because people they listen, you know, because we have to give awareness to people.
Yeah, that's why when you know the law, you go and search the law very well. You know the law. They say they don't fit give for boy children. Why they don't fit give for boy children?
I don't get talk waiting up the facts. I don't say it. That Obo wife, if I finish that Obo wife, now Obo will end up find house for that woman.
Obo can never find house for that woman. Waiting with the talk, so we are talking about adulterous. We are talking about cheating here. We are talking about cheating, my sister. Now lie. Now that one a lie. That one a big time lie. Obo buy house. Obo no buy house. When they go say Obo say now rent, now Obo rent. Rent Obo rent. As you they talk now, that woman now, they don't go to where for one place now. If you not there, Obo house now.
You know here wetin I talk. I say if I get Obo wife concert, Obo go end up, pay accommodation for that woman.
He go collect children for him. He know they pay accommodation for the woman.
That is a belly story.
And I lie. That they want to pay accommodation. A cheat woman, somebody's cheat woman, which that in that one not need that.
Does Obo have evidence?
Obo not get evidence. Evidence don't already show. My sister know they talk truth.
Is it yours or is not yours? The child is yours. So take care of the child. The 18 years is your fucking responsibility.
Why you call the NATO say Obo they will collect the children for the Obo had give the woman? I bet my sister leave that thing.
Or what grant? The one can give Obo or what grant?
If Obo say he stop now, he not get anything to do with that woman paper. The woman paper go they pen down. They go pen down. No, they don't say get pikin. What if they get pikin? They get pikin. Now pikin one carry and go in. Now pikin one carry and go in. Now that pikin one carry and go in. You can send a passport just to go passport. Before that woman go get passport, that woman must go school. Almost in your school, and let down the wedge. Let's say the truth.
You don't prepare the way they go school, where not get paper. You first get paper before you go to school.
Why you don't know? I don't know the one when you they talk. Okay, never get paper. You never get 5 years now.
The woman don't get paper.
A fees or yare. Who want pay for school fees? I can't ask school fees. Now, I know that's how say they go fees, go school. Now, I know say now, both supposed to pay school fees, not be government.
I said that take your time and go in anywhere.
Now, lie, my sister, you not fit tell me anything about Netherlands. Now the man, before that document when you they talk so, that document when they talk so. Now that man, I get that document. The man can give who you want to give.
I do not blind argument. argument.
Not be blind argument. You not be true, my sister. No, now one a lie. You not fit tell me what I know. Not be blind argument. You the doctor say get passport. You get passport. Among a passport out of your. Did you think that passport is common on the floor? A passport is your tour. Are you serious?
Italy, Evovere, Ira do Biere now, or one after Nivinia, Inya, Beya Joania. And I say, just leave.
Let that land. Let that land. Person, may I tell you, let that land is a place. You go carry person, come say you want come, but you must go for DNA. You must go for DNA. No, you can tell fellow let that land play. Now one like my sister, why they know they call you come they born? Let that land know they use that one to play. DNA, let that land must go. Now Somali make let that land come they do DNA. If they can't go do DNA now, the children don't come with the man. They're not they buy father for year. When it comes to let that land, they're not they buy father. Where they this care? You went this.
I want to ask you one question. Do you know the word ekene? Ask somebody. Say ekene. What is be ekene? What is be ekene? Ask somebody. Say what is be ekene? Check out if they can make the website there. Let me pass it. The man not go place that he get the picking. No, they call it the one related that ekene. Go and check it. Go check out. Go check out.
Well, you know how many women come for this come for Italy come here. All of them they go Germany. All those women when they see now they Germany. All of them don't fair come here. Seek asylum. Let that one go bash you back. Don't forget hand. They're not going to mind you say.
Check the word ekene.
Forget ekene, my sister. Wait till you they talk. So me, I know everything. I'll tell you now. Just go and come out.
People they left for your platform.
People they left on my platform, but it's like you don't even know. You don't know what till you they talk.
Check the word of ekene.
We are not talking of ekene here. Which kind of ekene? Now which kind of ekene? Person will call you. You want to call back Papa. You must bring that DNA for let that land.
The word of ekene for English is abduction. Let's make you go check out for website for Hermetic.
Now you first say buy Papa. Abduction with it buy Papa like this. Did you know the meaning of abduction with buy Papa? Let that one know they play with all those things.
Buy Papa means they claim say the child is yours. That is yes. That is the buy Papa say the child is mine. I want to adopt this child. It's a different thing.
Then they say adopt. Then they say adopt. They don't say adopt. They will come. No, let that land. Let me let that land man when he get passport. No, they do that rubbish. There you go.
Hello. You know who did let the land man? Anybody can do a kenne for you.
Where? For let that land here. What do you want to do? I don't be let that land passport. Is it not let that land passport you want use?
Yes.
Now let that land passport you want use now. Even the time when they do this thing self, that court wedding self, when they use money they do that time. Guys when they at that time now Spain, most of them go they do and they don't see anything when it comes to document. Let that know they use and take play. And let that also they be like rats. Hey, babe. Let that one now so paper. Now let that one they carry.
Yes.
That one they will frustrate you with paper.
Now Holland, for Nigeria come Holland, don't take for Holland. You know, I know what they talk. Information is very powerful. Maybe never get awareness of this ekene. Try.
My sister, forget ekene. We forget ekene. All those one are story. You say they buy Papa. Not be buy Papa. You say they buy. Buy Papa. The way first buy Papa. The man go call say he adopt her. You cannot adopt waiting. They'll say maybe born the pikin first. I will not cap your money. You carry pregnant woman. No, you all carry pregnant woman come. Then they say pregnant woman when you carry come. You all carry pregnant woman just come because say you get paper. You all carry go in. You must marry her. You must marry her. Now they'll ask you say who it be to you. Is it your wife or is it your girlfriend? You'll say yes. At the end of the day, let that woman say okay. After he born the pikin, they'll come do DNA. That one must carry DNA put for front.
Yeah, that place where can come in. If they won't do a can, the woman get belly, you don't need IND. Na Hemeti because na Dutch man or na Dutch woman. One of them will get passport. Na Hemeti.
May I tell you, passport. Where that passport where you they talk, where you find the reach? Where that passport find the reach? That passport before they issue that passport for you, where you find the reach?
Who they give approval for passport? Na the king. Na queen give approval for my own, not king.
But you say the person will go Hemeti. When the person get Hemeti, he want go put it for passport. They must refer to END. Now END go when we just for where not go. The END wait first. You wait first. The END, when you go say you want put it for passport, you must let END know first. You go still let Hemeti know. Then when Hemeti don't know now, then they go refer END don't already know. END go submit the document, go submit everything, your form and everything. You don't fill and finish. If they go land for king table. If he keep don't approve now 1 month they spend for them. If keep approve before END go say keep don't approve END go bring letter for you. Then the letter they send I go give Hemeti. Hemeti now go send the letter for you. Say okay. May you come take your passport. You not just come because somebody that I just did now. Because a person will just come and now I be woman. How can I go Hemeti house? Make Hemeti give my passport. No! You must reach where you there. You must reach immigration office, my dear.
Passport. I'm not talking about passport.
Wait till you talk for here now. I mean, we're not talking about my sister now. Hey, we do everything they record though. Nothing now. You say passport.
You say Kenne.
My sister forgot Kenne. Kenne say you don't talk at us now. Say who they buy papa abduct. You cannot just bring pregnancy and not be you carry a con. You're also for road. You all gotta go this thing. Go Hemeti house say you want give paper. Hemeti they give paper. Hemeti ya ye be no one. No, if you want get paper, now Hemeti want carry and go give this thing. Hemeti can give you resident. Hemeti go give you not because Hemeti go give you resident. Then you go do your paper finish with migration. And Hemeti won't give you paper. Hemeti they help you everything. If they don't approve, Hemeti go tell say they don't approve. You cannot just go because somebody get passport. I want my passport, you know. They don't give you passport direct. They must give you 5 years. You have 5 years, you know. About my sister talk at the end.
See, I can a procedure. If a woman won't give man won't give woman the pikin Holland passport, where the belly go there 4 to 5 months. You go 2 of them go Hemeti. They go ask, they say, you be the real father of the child. The man will say no. But you want to do a caning for the child because in their relationship with the woman, as the man they talk, they go type on, they'll print the paper out. The woman go drop in Nigeria passport. The man go drop in Holland passport. They go photo start on. The man go sign. The woman go sign. They go say the woman don't born. Within 3 days, they go come back. They go come out. After the woman don't born, they will come go back again. For there, don't know the name, the one name the pikin now boy or girl. As the man says, see the name of the pikin, if they go type on, print that paper, will be like Atreso. The man go sign, the woman go sign. Then they go say, within some days, the man will receive letter, and the woman will still receive letter. After that letter, the woman and the man go make up. The man go make appointment on the woman, any of them, to apply for new passport for the pikin for Hemeti. Once the pikin don't get passport, the pikin when you born don't get Holland passport. It's for you to go to IND website, print your form, come out, fill out, or you go to Chuchaliras leader. They will help you fill the form, post and go give IND. some months or weeks, and you come write you say they receive your application. You know, the after so the collect is okay, pay so amount. You know, not they between honor like my honor card and European card. Like this European card, they pay 57 euro, I 60 euro. My honor card those days, I first they paid 250 gilda, I 350 gilda. You know, the price is different. The law also is different. You know, the law with the honor paper, with European paper is different law. And they say, try, go website and check it out. You'll see they're there. It's there. The man no need to claim, say, na he get pikin. No, a kene is there. You'll see her there. You know, there's the man, he go they pay a side support. If the man gets good income, he go they pay. If the man not get good income, government will take care of the pikin. That's it. You know, that is.
If the man not get good income, government they take care of the pikin.
Yes.
You know the man not get good income. Now they adult person. Now wow. The man, you not see him now. You know when you talk finish, you don't just give person the cocoa. If your income is not sufficient and you want to adopt child, they will first look your income. They will look how you take seat. You know what I'm saying? Because the man, the income not reach, government go they pay him. Now government tell him go adopt pikin. My sister, now how you do? Not just they talk wetin dey your mind though.
People know, many people know.
My sister, this thing when they talk so, if now so it dey easy for let that lad, we for not they see pregnant woman without no documents. I tell me pregnant woman without no document. Okay, wait first. So see the one when it happened that day. One Netherland guy where one black woman born for. That pikin now that man now he get that pikin. That man not still give that woman document. This one na ojibo. This one na ojibo. You think say it dey easy? May I tell you guys, wait first. You wait. We don't wait. You they get patient, my sister. May I tell you, he get one woman. This woman just back. This woman, he seek asylum. He got a friend Oyibo. He married for his country. He not divorce his husband. As he got a friend Oyibo, now Oyibo can't give him belly. This woman they say, if he born for Oyibo, he go get documents like that. This woman, now they tell us that they don't give you document. You marry for your country. This pikin when you born, now your husband that man divorce you. You know what he can't give that girl document? Now pardon, I can't give her document. Children pardon. You just get person when you don't get income. You want to go there adopt child? Are you serious?
Try check this information.
My sister, you don't already give us the information. The information is irrelevant.
Information is very powerful.
You know that no, you say if the man don't come get, if the man he can come small, the man will come. How can you just go and bring woman for somewhere? You don't get money. You carry the woman. Only waiting, or you will help you. Wait first. Only waiting, or you will help you. Or you will tell you say go seek a salon. Or carry you go where a salon day. For where let that land go come adopt pikin. All those one are story. All those one not they work. All those one are story. You know they work for let that land. Did they hard? Oh wow, did that way they easy for let that land? There a lot of people for full year. These children when they buy, Papa. You know that not be me go give person that help. I know the way the road be. The road is very hard. I don't feel stress myself. The moment you say make I check everything day system. Everything day system. You know everything day system. As everything day system, you see for there is not an easy task. It's a system. But it's not the even time you don't talk just now say if the man cannot come sufficient, government go they pay. How you want to adopt a child? When your income is not even enough for you to eat, how is it going to possible? It's not the child is not your child. I know you get the belly.
Because the world in Netherlands is a kenne.
Kenne, my sister. We don't already know what here kenne mean, but you see it You know what it is? A salon for it. They say if you don't reach like that land, any country where you just say that they drive you from Nigeria, you can't come here, you can't do like this. Look, now wait till you can't talk be that. Wait till they their system when they go take answer you all of the day. Not be to talk that they talk. And I go and talk.
Don't forget when you sabi this church where go check this in case if you see person.
Everything is there. Even passport dead there. Everything dead there. How to the document is dead there. But is it gonna come just easy? Everything dead system. Nothing way not dead system. Even for Nigeria itself. If you want to eat aduro for Nigeria, dead system for Nigeria. Or wherever every country you can eat aduro, but. You know how many people don't eat aduro when they deport go Nigeria. It means that because it's still the same. Our system.
Go check out. If you have to help somebody.
I know that what they use at my sister. That one and this thing. Why? Okay, people when they wish people then they make help. I will single mother near of your men make is 20, 50 children. Don't come carry belly. You say someone you can tell a person you dead you don't want to know a pig. Here I am telling now. Ha! Now wow.
Check out for that information,
my sister, there is a lot of information. If people say me they deport you, If they this thing, you say if you want them to deport you, we can help you with 5,000 €. It dead here. Not there. Who be END? Who be END? Not be Remeti be END. Not be Remeti. Immigration is Remeti is immigration. People that do something when they happen for the country. You know? Are you kidding?
You know where IND different. IND website is different from Remeti website. That is my.
But anything where if you want get passport now, you go first bring your IND document, not be Remeti documents. Did Remeti have documents? No. If somebody welfare, if somebody come now, welfare, if somebody come now, we never get document before, you go to Remeti, that is Komu. Komu go to say we don't have hand the document. Either you go and meet police or you go for END, go and meet police. Now police they'll tell you say you go meet. If you reach where police there, police go direct you go therapy. Therapy is a big place where people say now there neither for the seek for asylum. Remeti no they give person documents. The document, but you talk about now. My sister.
If you want to know about a Kenya,
forget a Kenya. When this a Kenya, don't be like say a Kenya. Forget a Kenya. We don't already explain about a Kenya. You explain now. Now you talk. Where you go?
My card before I get passport. On my card, I collect that for Remeti. I not go IND. On my card, I collect that for Remeti. Now things can't change, you know, because to get paper for Holland now,
okay, document when the first document. Okay, as you call here, the first document when they give you, when man say where sign END not just stop put. My sister, my sister, that one, me I don't believe that one. Maybe you don't forget. You don't forget. Okay, the 5 years when they first give you, now Remeti now they forgive you 5 years.
Now you don't carry me.
Even if you know you don't carry you, they're not gonna give you passport direct. Like in passport, you know where direct. Okay, no.
Not be 5 years, they give me 1 year.
Who can give you that 1 year?
Now Remeti give me card, my Wahala card.
Okay, now Remeti give you 1 year. When a policeman reba, END man reba, a Remeti now worry 1 year, now worry nowhere. My sister, you don't forget. You forget.
I go Nigeria, go legalize my documents. I come with NVV. Now be my time, My time with.
Okay, you say now you go now carry you come. Not be waiting you talk.
Yes, I come with NVV.
Before you say you go Nigeria, you say you go Nigeria, go legalize your document. That means say no be you go carry you come.
1 year card first.
That means say no be you go carry you come.
1 year to 3 years, 3 years.
Because before you go pick you from Nigeria come, your document already they ready. You don't ready.
Now I tell you say
Oyibo was from Nigeria carry you come, you don't already work all the old document. They carry you come. There is no need. Wait first, Sister Caller. There is no need of going back again. As far as if now Oyibo carry you come. Now person when they here wait first. Now person when they here before. Eh? They go say, may go Nigeria, may he go work and come from Nigeria. Let that land they do one. If you say you go Nigeria, Mujafo, if you say you go Nigeria, go legalize and come, that means say, no be, or you both carry you come, you fed there year before. Yes.
Yes, I fed there,
Hey, but you don't say now, you say now you both carry you come just now. Why you there?
Because I just now,
My
I'm
sister.
give me paper. Now you go carry me come because I know your way because I won't go Nigeria where I don't get paper.
Everybody not get different way of getting paper for let down for you. All those one are story. You not talk this one. Everybody get different way to they get documents. Why it be say people fool everywhere that they get documents? Why they not use it? If you want to seek asylum, you use asylum to get documents. Your husband go carry you. Your husband go carry you come. You wait. Your husband will carry you come. For IT, For IT that time they will say they don't make. If you don't get document that they bring and come out, read them for news. You go Kologometo office. You read there, you carry form. If you get person when one sign for you, you feel bring contract, bring resident, bring everything. If it complete, it correct, no shaking. Pack everything, go Questoria. So far, your contract of work is correct. Now your contract of work, now that they talk with your resident. Without that, there is no another way. Another way, not there. If your husband not carry you come, you seek asylum, or for Italy that time, you will go do paper. Yes.
I don't know about Italy here, where I get Holland man when he won't give me paper. We go meet lawyer. Lawyer say it's better for me.
But my sister, I don't forget this old man. What you first told us, he said, now that man, I carry you from Nigeria. You they talk on all that thing now. Oh my God. Sister Caller, don't forget your own side. You say, I carry you come. Later, you say you go Nigeria, go legalize and come. Before man go carry you come from Nigeria, he don't already legalize and from Nigeria and let that land before he go carry you come.
No.
You know, so Bomari, I thought we were making now.
You know, so it be like if you want to carry your husband, call your wife, call for Holland, so if you go do inboxing, like inboxing go give you MVP where you want to come. You know, before you go come Holland. Our time, that time, if Oyibo won't give you paper, you have to go to Nigeria. So people not go.
But what did you first talk just now? You said the Oyibo go carry you for now Nigeria, the Oyibo for carry you come. Okay, but you don't fed there abroad. You don't fed there abroad. You fed there abroad.
You don't understand my point. You don't see person when don't fed there, but you don't get paper, you go Nigeria. How you want to come back?
But not be waiting you talk just now. Now wait. Sister Caller, I just say you don't drink akpe this evening because I don't understand. Because it matter now. You got the way when you tell them.
As I come go, you can't go, we will come.
Oh, my people, no, that's it. This is the color bed. Sister Caller, I think I say you drink akpe. He said he can't go Nigeria. I said you can't go.
Many people, yes.
Okay, that means we're not in Nigeria. We're not able.
I tell you though, I meet Oyibo. Yes, he won't give me paper. My friend said, no go, you go gog you. I said, if you gog me, gog me. I go, I take that.
But you said to just not say whether make Oyibo go gog you for Nigeria. No, you don't see the talk. Sister Caller last
Let me say, Oyibo got many of our guests for Nigeria.
No shit.
Because the stress is too much.
Everything where? Sister Caller, don't make me laugh. Sister Caller, you get patron, where we born and you got this house. I mean, Sister Caller, today not be Friday. I bet you take small this thing. Sister Caller, don't make me laugh. This is.
Because that time when you put a God people now, yes. When you go,
Caller, now, Obo matter will be the talk. You don't change up to your own. That's everybody gets your problem.
Talk about documents, about documents. Everything. Now. If anybody won't come here, you go do exam. Now the exam, if you pass, and I go give you visa. Our time, you go do it by yourself. You know.
He say he go legalize and come. But the first time when you want to talk, he say no, you both carry and enter Europe. He say he go legalize and come. That is where I don't understand. Because he get as he be. He say no, you both carry and come. Then later he say he go Nigeria go legalize and come. That means you don't already there here. Not be you both carry you come.
Because you ask to say how you take me to Oyibo. Okay, as Oyibo tell me say go Nigeria, I go bring you come back, go legalize your documents. I come to go. Oyibo come fuck up.
But just now when you dey talk and you first talk say no, Oyibo from Nigeria carry you come. Later you say you wait fair. Later you say you go Nigeria, go legalize and come. If you talk and it will be like say no, Oyibo first carry you enter European country. That is it.
Because many people where Oyibo gog for Nigeria where not fit come for this whole lot paper. In many.
You don't fit talk about that one.
In many. Now you go like because
Now
at that time if you want to paper, don't let you go home, go legalize.
Now so my baby, I know sister caller, wait first. Wait, my rush. Because the word when you they talk, now for they give you point. That you know what? Not just they talk again because we must they bring point come and don't let me one. They talk, but commenters they see they write too. People they listen. Don't let me with you they do this conversation. Well, when now you born I marry you come. That means now you born bring you come. Well first. So you talk and just now you see you go watch this video. You say now you born I bring you come Europe. Later now you say you go Europe, you go Nigeria, go legalize yourself, come. We not gonna understand. You get us be.
Okay, Make I explain viewers. When I did Holland, you know, I come meet this Oyibo. As I meet this Oyibo, before I meet this Oyibo, I get friends where get Oyibo. Oyibo go say, okay, your problem is you don't get paper. Go Nigeria, go legalize your paper, then you come back. When they go, they not go come. When I come meet this Oyibo, this one say, you say, I don't think go Nigeria, where I go strand for Nigeria. Because if I don't come out, I know they see you. Maybe if I call you for phone, finish. Maybe if I call, you know, call people call, I'm on my own. I can't say no, I know they go. It takes me 2 years. Before I can say, okay, I can't make up my mind. So, okay, since to get all that paper, I have to go to Nigeria and legalize my documents. It takes me 2 years. I can say, okay, I can't take go Nigeria.
Okay, that means say no be you both fair carry you come the first time. But you thought just now say now you both carry you come. You understand?
But for the second one, now here I take come back.
Okay.
You know, so I can't go Nigeria. You know, they'll say, Snapple say, well, now God, if God say I go, now Nigeria be my destiny, I stay there. If God say I go come back.
But just now you say you not fit to make Oyibo no go gog you.
Yes, now why? At me talk and me because as we tell don't be said they say people where I be friends those years. Now they say girl you go before me.
No be only let that they do that yo. They even they do one for Italy too. They'll say let they go marry and come for Italy.
Yeah, you go
for Nigeria.
This one say you don't say there is no along that way. This one say I have.
Okay, let's forget about your side. Then not be your side, not be we carry con here. Now our both side, now we carry con, now we take run enter your trade track so.
You know, before Obo married that wife, you know the carpet where your wife be, whether it's the fuck around you know the fuck around you know no. You know, Obo himself, he said nothing gets your own character.
That woman a very patient person. That woman patient follow Obo, make Obo carry upon Europe, make it for. No, not be Obo no get character. That woman, he patient follow Obo, make Obo for carry upon Europe. And Obo na person wey be say Obo no go school. If Obo was an intelligent man, to divorce person, you know they had Obo for divorce. I not say Obo no do court wedding. Obo do court wedding. Not be only traditional wedding they do. Okay,
Come with your mouth.
you now see the court wedding. I've been at the one when they talk by itself.
That one they talk by itself now.
But you know, when we are talking about court wedding, it go bring the document come out. Now, I believe, wait first. I believe in document. I don't believe, say, just talk with mouth. No. I don't spend years for abroad. If I can't follow you, they talk with mouth without no documents, like I'm foolish. Okay, now.
The woman patient follow Obo, you know, patient follow Obo, barrister. Obo for tolerate and build. Now, this will not be perfect that girlfriend, though. It's not marriage. Now, marriage. Before you go marry a woman, you go know the woman they flirt around or not. You know, women not good at be. Not because they talk, some of them for inside. Not because they go to Nigeria will be virgin. Abi? And then why complaining? Why even say it out?
But this one where Obo wife do Obo so now tell her. If Obo wife they date that Igbo woman, no be Obo house for the that Igbo guy. You know. Before Obo come do that, you Obo already they suspect them.
Yeah, because the Igbo man still get wife.
Who know whether not be this Igbo man? No be give Obo wife belle. Yes, Obo wife don't go fair come give greet Obo now. Yes. Yes, it can be. Obo wife don't fair come greet Obo. That Obo wife no get belle. He don't fair come greet Obo, Before he come go Nigeria. And the belle come big. He go come.
Not because I come for Nigeria now. You don't put no good now. That when the first boss no.
No, mama, we know that my sister caller. We know the talk say whether he married for Europe or he married for Nigeria, he married for this. If the time when Obo wife come greet Obo that time, if that Igbo guy dey Obo house, that means that this speaking when Obo wife get, when Obo they ask for DNA, your boss say, we know so Obo Koto say, they say they want go do IVF. At the end of the day, they say, his wife get belle. Obo Koto say, why? Why? You know say Obo wife come greet Obo for Europe. Obo wife never get belle that time. When Obo wife can't go back, they come back with belle. Una sure say not be that Igbo woman, that Igbo man get those children.
Mama, don't take that house.
If now they talk now, Obo that Igbo man, you don't already there your house.
I know sure say that woman will sleep with that people. I don't know. You know, I know.
My sister don't talk like that though.
See the way the woman they play with him,
Okay, when we go make Obo wife from come on for his house, if she's not guilty.
I don't know.
Yeah, if it's not guilty, if that camera won't both set for house, they say that they set trap may catch fish. If you see the fish on top, if you set trap with fish, you see they can't see fish on top of that trap. You will not say rat not there your house.
I don't understand, Sha, but Obo get house. Wow,
okay, that first visit don't pass 1 year. It don't pass 1 year. Calculate and well, Rosemary. Pass 1 year. You not go greet her again when Obo no show. Because Obo, you know what your Obo talk? Obo say, when the woman can't greet her, when the woman can't go back, he can't reach Nigeria, say they want to do IVF. Now doctor can say, no need of IVF again, say something don't change. Okay, you want to tell me say as Obo just the enter house, now as Obo just the enter Nigeria, now Obo just the pregnant, Obo be go Nigeria, make it for go do IVF. As he reach Nigeria, now Obo say he enter once, he can't get belle. The doctor say no IVF again.
Now Obo get that pikin. Now Obo na get her. Obo now maybe Obo get low self-esteem. Maybe because the way the woman they as the man they talk to your wife, whatever. You go one day kilos make her go set camera. I don't know because if this woman they really they say if they shit according to Obo, Before I call Europe. I think I was stay for Nigeria for many years with the woman. Why this thing not happen? Why
You know, say that time, Obo fed they complain, say, this woman not they follow and sleep. This woman not they quick come house. This woman go there for outside door. If he close for work, you know they quick come house, blah, 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 a lot of things. When you know what it is sometimes saying, if you marry a woman when you don't old past your age, you not go feel control her. The age of Obo with that woman age, Obo too they talk like. One day when Obo said that they laugh with that woman. Obo Koto say na senior the woman. When everybody knows say na that woman na senior Obo.
Obo senior that woman.
Okay, the problem when it dey now, the problem when it dey now. If that woman is not they guilty, who did the woman born for? You never reach 3 months. Why the woman go run come on for house? Even if a camera dead there.
The woman go come on, go outside, go they call police. Say Obo will kill her.
And Obo not there so.
You know they say Holland police not be like a Nigerian police. See a Nigerian police now they call.
You know what? He want as that camera, Obo already they know say something they happen. He want quickly block that side with police. And Obo not there have. And waiting he don't know now. The time when Obo take come on for work, he must pass a card. You know, you not feel use wayo for Obodojibo. If you want come on for
the woman in Nigeria day, now make can call police. You know, because you know police don't.
Now that Igbo boy don't already poison that woman heart. And the woman don't know say no be like that. Now that Igbo guy.
That elderly woman, that Nigerian woman, they say that they good pass. Why you go allow Igbo man where there's 1 room for your husband house, the poisoner? The woman said nothing, a useless woman there. Yes. My husband tenant. They will call the poison my mind.
And now the guy with the guy. Ah no. That woman, this thing when you want put in house, so you go regret them. You go regret them. Because if you not got anything to do with that guy, why he get guilty? Because if na woman now, you not get what they do with that guy, he not gonna get guilty. Why you run out of house? The man not there. I said the man want kill you, and the man they work. And for work now.
And the police go tell this before the man, because if police they call now they blow sarin, all car go come off for road. Where they go. You know?
Wow.
Now wow, but the
woman it too early to do a ball like this now.
You know they see people men where carry their woman come. Where they do their
Obo see this thing. Obo don't already see this thing for Nigeria. Obo was so naive. Obo go talk go yeah. Obo no the woman, if you did not wait, you don't already born for her, you don't there yet. Make what you go do now. The case now. They will go find where put the woman first now. Yeah. If the woman say no one call and say they fear, they'll go find where put that woman first.
But that of both wife, why you go listen to your husband tenant?
They don't brainwash her. No, they don't brainwash her there.
This is husband tenant, according to Obo, see the man wife they work. The man not the work. Just imagine.
Said before. How? But those children, that's okay. Wait, Abi. That boy now, well, maybe the boy will tell us, just come out. Government go give you house. Me with you will come just there. Now he brainwash her. And our boy wife don't know say it no easy like that.
But what about wife? This man not the work. Now the man wife they work. So when people come make I don't know maybe that's a born wife. He just old live sense. Jobless man. You come they advise me. I'll come they listen to you. Then now your woman they feed you. Now they go they work. Then now born now they go they work. They come they feed the wife.
No, wow.
Wow. You think get a civil.
If that woman paper not complete now, he go hard damn.
All those men where you don't marry, before you marry, if you get tenant, give them quick notice. Because the house not big. Or both trees. So both people not get their room. Just imagine.
Because that house when they inside Central, that house, if you be saying 3 rooms,
Yeah, not 2 sleeping room, 1 living room. That is 3 rooms. 2 sleeping room, 1 living room.
Because now Central is there, you know say the house small.
Yeah. Before both wife, but don't give them quick notice. Which means on both trees, they don't get their own bed. They don't get their own room. It's nothing good for both parts.
But that woman is too old for this nonsense now. It is a be young girl. I be the year say now waiting they happen for abroad. Waiting young girls they happen for abroad. They do for abroad. She went young. She want to play that kind of play. This thing go over Rambo. It took all for this.
Woman get fault or both get fault. You know, you marry. When you say the man not the work, you they leave woman for house. Before your wife, but why
he said the Igbo man don't suck her toto. I bet no be all Igbo not they suck toto now, so that they talk. Now Igbo they suck toto. But it's too no that you know what he worried that we might not say most of people when they Nigeria. The lie, you know, waiting people wait in Nigeria, waiting they don't know. If people like when they do live video now, some people just come and they'll just they lie. People from Nigeria go believe say, now like this say they happen for abroad. They're not gonna know say no be like that. A lot of things when people they present for live video with a lot of color when they call in, that they lie. They'll just believe say, now so it they happen for Europe. Okay, if I read them now so now go do. A lot of women don't frustrate about it. Like some women now, man go buy house now. When I go drive the man come on for house. I don't know why the man they cry. And those women they not pay the house rent. If bank say the payment is not going again, bank go come collect their house. The woman go dey streets. Yes. No, if the man not take that house again, the man will say no.
The mortgage, barrister.
You know what it not be all. You don't drive and come out for house. The woman not they work. Some go there, they'll say they don't want to pay mortgage again. You don't know. They'll say that if they don't pay again, you don't know. They'll say they don't want to pay mortgage again. They're the house. They don't. They'll say they don't have. Oh, you boy, make I tell you, our black, they don't know what it be law. If Oyibo with his wife no day again, they buy house together. They go court. They go sell the house. This one will take your money. This one will take your money.
You don't think so you put it describe black man?
No, because black people know they follow the procedure.
25 years ago. You know, who a black man buy the house? You know, if you so you bought life, take compare.
Yeah, the black man can tell the black who they work at tell bank say, I don't want pay girl. Come carry your if you like judge not the judge.
Bank go carry the house, bank go carry the house, they go sell the house, the man go see them debt. He go come get more debt.
Get more debt. You know what? In a lie, you know they got more debt. If you not feel pay again, they say you know they feel pay again. They're not even call it. Waiting, they'll tell the man, bank will tell the man, say, your payment now is a delay. What is going on? You go talk. You go say, I don't think I will continue to be paying the mortgage again. Or you will tell the woman, may come out, who buy house. You don't come out. You say no one to they pay again. You know not say it be like that. All those
you bought the house for 20-something years, eh?
No, and they talk about black now. Wait, now, and they talk about black.
House 10 years ago, 15 years ago. Here, a wife can't get quarrel. He won't come sell that house. The man go see the depth of that house.
Make I tell you, you know the day of death of that house. Bank, you already bank will do. Bank go give am. If he don't say no fee pay again, he will say, I no fee pay again. Bank will say, okay, we collect our property back. Bank go sell am to another person.
What of the money where bank borrow you wait and buy?
No be the house. One now. This is the caller. If I don't even understand you. No, if you buy house, the bank not give you that money. Bank cannot give you 250,000 without they not see what you want use and pay do. It's not that possible.
250,000 euro where bank give you. Let me say you don't get that house for 10 years and 15 years. How much you don't pay for the
It no matter. It no matter. Now, it no matter. If you now make bank, you cannot go to bank now. Tell bank say, give me 250,000. Without bank, no see waiting you won't put on. Why bank they give people money for house? If you not feel pay again, that their house, they can rent it out. They collect their house rent. Or they sell it to somebody else.
Okay,
yes, like my sister, you don't take for abroad. You won't be like say.
Not be for Holland.
Now, not the talk of Holland. Again, yeah, no. If you know they see a house when they write for this thing, cope.
Maybe for another country.
Not be another country. He get one Oyibo, He get one Oyibo that time. This Oyibo, now my friend. He say with his wife just divorced. He said they still they live for the house. He said they won't sell the house. I don't understand. Not going to say
yes, the house don't do.
No, now wait till they tell you now. Even if say you buy, even if say you carry loan for bank today. They sign the house for you today. You tell bank say, I not go fee pay again. Bank go collect their house back. This caller, be like say this caller don't know anything at all. Now today I don't know say you don't know anything. No, they talk of Holland. Now the same law now the whole European country get. Now the same law. When I don't worry Italy, area I don't worry London, area I don't worry America, area I don't worry Holland. Don't talk because you dey Holland.
You I don't know what they talk. No, because I know what they
No, Sister Caller, I don't know what it. No, Sister Caller, today just get as it be. Now lie.
I know what
that one a lie. It's just like you buy clothes now. Wait. It's just like you buy clothes now. You carry the receipt, you reach house, you change mind, you say you don't want again, you go back to shop. Some shop will say, okay, did you want your money back? You say, yeah. They'll say, do you want to change it? If you say, no, I want my money back, they will give you your money. For us, wait. Now, they tell you be that. For house, if you buy house for abroad, you not fit do the payment of the house. Bank don't already, they know, say, you know they pay again as you tell they pay before. Bank go write letter for you, say, for your payment, it not the regular again. What is happen? You go say the house, you get waiting they happen to demand go talk. The bank will tell say, okay, we are taking the house from you. Bank will take the house. Whether you buy it today, whether not last year buy it, whether not last 2 years, buy no concern bank. That house when you wait, that house when you see say people they say they buy, that house no be their house. That house now bank house until the day when you go pay that money finish. Now that property becomes your property. If you don't know.
I will ask you one question. In Holland, if they send you
okay, the same law. Thank you.
If they send you bill for Holland to pay, maybe you forget. But that's why the first one, the second one, you forget. They add Jonah, how much more house so you buy back, loan you 250,000 euro for business. And never get their interest back.
My person, if you say you not fit buy again, even if say they carry and go court of law, court go say he no fit pay again. They will carry the house back. They will carry the house back. You know wait whether the bank will carry the house back. Whether bank said the house, whether bank not said the house, you not concern the man that man not dey that house again.
Because the bank don't say the house, they'll go calculate
My sister, you know, concern the man. The man, person will not fit pay. Person not fit pay regular. Now bank will come tell us say make the bank will carry property back. Not be so that they do for Nigeria. It's still the Nigeria law. If you borrow money for bank, no, you see that if you borrow money for bank, you use your house to borrow money. You not fit pay again. Pay the money where you borrow. Let's not carry your house. They drive you out of the house. They use the house. They collect money.
Nigeria with Holland is not the same.
Forget it. Now the same law now day. Now because say Nigeria no good. Now it make una they feel say Nigeria no get law. Yes.
Now what did I know for Holland? Now they talk about.
My sister, you don't know anything for Holland. For how they take they buy house. If you not feel continue with your payment, bank is coming to take their house. They will push you outside.
That 10 years, That 10 years.
Which 10 years? 10 years not be anything. They not even use 10 years to pay for house. House, if you buy house, it's 20-something years. Now they pay for house. 20-something years.
The price of the house, so you buy.
My sister, if you not know today, make you know. If you not feel pay house when you borrow money, they buy for bank hand, bank will take their house back and tell you to leave the house. If not 6 months, they'll say they give you 3 months. But wait till they talk just now. I bet sister call her. Make you leave this thing.
What did they talk? They will collect the house. They will sell them. Can't do plus and minus.
No be waiting for to say they go sell the house. They go sell the house. Now the man say no fit pay again. Whether they do plus and minus or amount can't pay any. The one where the man, may I tell you, sister, the one where the man don't fair pay, and they will use her as house rent. Yeah, use her as a house rent. They go use the one where the man fair pay. May I tell you, if the man don't feel pay reach 50,000, they will calculate how many years, how many years when don't stay for that house. They will calculate and give her, they will remove the game when they want get, they will remove and the remaining one. The remaining one, you know, say that they get the remaining one, they go give the man. The people get the man say take 2,000 euro, take 5,000 euro, go to rent house. Some banks sell they compensate them. You know me say they go pay. So you both they go buy. They'll say they no fit pay again. They tell bank can carry their property. It's bank property. Anybody that buy house in Europe when never finish that house, the house now bank property until the day when it go finish.
Or you go out and say they sell house, they will sell the house, make profit, take buy another house. Yes. Or you go.
Those are the way you they see so they get company. That they get company. They be this thing. Those are you both so that they into renting. That they into rentage. Yeah, that they into rentage. That they say you both say this or you both is into rentage. Or you both when
they use their money for business. They'll come carry money give you. They not get profit. Nothing. Then you go say the person not go there of debt. If they go sell the harvest, the man go see there of debt of that house.
The man not go there debt again. I don't pay any debt. He not debt. They will calculate and they tell us they may come out. Some banks said that they will compensate themselves. So say may come okay. Don't carry wait. Oh, you don't carry wait. Now house now use the money to buy. You not use that money to chop when you go enter debt. If they say it not fit pay. Bank will tell us say we they carry our money, we they carry our house. Now so maybe the few months when he no pay, maybe not that one, he go come pay bank. Maybe he go say before bank come say conclude say okay, we want to take the money from you. Maybe for
you know say for Holland then before you sign any paper, you have to go through it. That agree. For the terms and
my sister, any paper when they if you want buy something, if you want buy something self, they'll say if they don't calculate them for you finish, they'll say now by cash or by pin. Now agreement. If you say no, I don't want pin, I don't want cash, they'll say okay, you don't want to pay, you don't have money, they'll return their something go. Everything in abroad is anything abroad now casa now. I'll take a short example for you. If you go pass something put now, they calculate them. They will ask you, say, is it by PIN or by cash? If you say, no, I don't want to pay, okay, cash. No, I don't want to pay cash. Okay, you don't have money, okay, buy. Now, so it be everything must be law.
Any paper where you sign, you read that, you sign that, which is you agree for the terms and the condition. Yes.
My sister, this one, my sister, this one where they talk. So if you buy house, you know if you pay for house, then they collect them back. They will collect their property back. Now, so bank they do. Which one you come they talk go here, talk go here? Me, I don't even understand this. How would they even enter this house, sef? How would they enter this house, sef? Now, about matter with the talk, we enter another house. Caller, you just drive me up and down for this live video. We'll go here, you'll bring all that thing. You go here, we'll bring all that thing. Now, me bring this house.
No drive that man come up for house before his wife born. You know, now if you you come to say you get one or you born, you bring a come.
Me say, wow, Bo not drive his wife come up for house. I not talk that one.
Drive the man because the boat has no big.
I know, I'm not talking say, wow, Bo not drive the man come up for. I talk her.
Okay. Let me talk and say, boat has not big. It was tell the officer before my wife go born, I give her 3 months or 2 months or when I find where I go. Because like Nana, both should not get a room for that house. Then are twins.
Okay, Mudia, you say, Rosemary, you say they're not they give anything. Oh. Okay, if bank, they're not they give anything. Okay. Then you just carry your luggage, come on for that house. You get one movie when I watch. You know, say most things that they show for movie. This man, he buy house. As he not fit pay for house again, they drive and come on for the house. They can't carry and go, you can't go to sleep for social house. I watch the film every December, now they take the one. If you not fit pay for your house, bank will take your house back. Now their money. As you still there inside, now their money. You know, that is how it goes.
You know, that money where bank give you, now pay for money. Interest, you need to pay interest of that money before you go to pay the real mortgage. You get terms and conditions when you sign. Yes, it used to be like credit card.
Person when no fit pay money, bank tell us say make carry no. If you they pay na interest they day. If the man not they pay again, interest not the day again. That means a bank will say that means you cannot forfeit this payment.
You sign because they give you the anyway shall hold on before.
As they don't collect the house for your hand, you will see they pay interest.
Let me say you go they go sell that house, They go sell that they go do.
They not borrow and money make they do business. So this money still there with bank. They not borrow at this money.
No,
they do this business.
This house now they give the money to the former owner of the house. Now they give the money to.
They did not bank. Now bank give that money to the man when he give this thing. Before you sign, lawyer must stay there. Bank must stay there. The person go there. And a bank buy the house for the woman hand, not be you.
Not be bank. Now bank come meet you say when you come buy house.
Now you go tell bank say you go buy house. Bank say they go give you low. Then bank not just give you the money say go that house where you want buy. Bank must see am first. Bank must go see the house whether they will fit give you money to buy this house. Wait till they put their money. Bank must see whether it's a valuable thing, when it go last long, when it go last more than yes. That is how they do it. Now so they say they do one. Then before you go take lawyer, before they go do everything, that is how they do it.
That lawyer too, and the agent, you go still pay them. Bank once you sell now, you go still take lawyer, you go still take agent. Who won't pay for all those expenses? Who?
How much the guy go pay lawyer? The guy already get money for lawyer now. How much the guy go pay lawyer?
Lawyer for Holland. You pay lawyer for Holland, they pay for your salary.
Other country they pay without their salary. Now the same law, now European people they look. Now it make people leave their document for Italy. They can't run come Germany. They feel say they want beat law. They want to say the country when they come now they say law. Now he hold them. And for system, when you go see asylum for system, they give you document. Don't they agree say they give you document. If they don't give you document, you go there rest, say they don't give you document. You be asylum seeker when they don't give document. Everything is on system. Now Nigerian people just they beat the system when Oyibo don't already arrange. How can a country give you 5 years? You come out for the country, go another country, go seek asylum. Is it not the same asylum this thing? Eh? When they come to complete you now, you put your hand for complete. They come they say, you don't enter rest, say you don't seek asylum for another country. If you not seek asylum for another country, you go enter blue, say you never seek asylum. If you don't seek asylum, you go enter rest, say you don't seek. You see, that is the problem where we get. See your born wife now. Or born wife born now. Or born wife never reach 6 months. You don't reach 6 months when you born now. You just want to go there and suffer those children. It is easy to take care of children. You don't born before.
I don't know. You just asked me. I don't know whether she don't born before or she never born before. For me, the woman get fault or both get fault. You know? We're both supposed to make it.
Thank you. You know, see, he said the bank pay for the house by themselves. Yes, because now bank, now they buy that house. Now you stand with bank. Now bank, they give you that low.
That is correct. We won't forget about
Now, so now, this about now, how it go be? How about go be now? You want to just now, you say, let that one go drive a boat, come up for her, put his wife. Now, what for you? This is Takola.
You know what I talk about, man? The woman get twins, baby, for hand. Or born a man, you know the responsibility.
See what you talk, Sister Kola. To where one your akutana. Is a whole citizen man. A whole citizen, let that one go drive and put for us. He not pay us rent. Law not there. That law na 0/0. Don't ever push her, he buy. He beat her. He beat her. He beat her. Oh, where? A man that is going to work, how about if he buy? No, be say the man not pay her rent. Only waiting, let Allah go take the woman. They will go carry the woman, put for where that they put people. Now only that one they will take her party. If he qualify, that woman said they will even fit give her house. They first say that woman may go eat a duro.
That is that they won't forget that side. Though.
No, that side make us call. Now you they change the topic.
Yeah, because the thing where the yeah, now it make us fun.
Which we don't know the document when they with this woman, whether now 5 years or the visa to 2 years when they document. Aye, this woman. You know if you quick can take document for both hand before you come to misbehave.
The woman not need a bowl for when you go to that document issue, not need a bowl.
They have the woman one can't take that document.
You go get document.
How?
You need a bowl. Just forget that one, barrister.
No, how? No, you go talk how.
Go check Obo video. Obo himself talk am.
Say.
Wetin he dey do. Go check Obo.
Wait your boat talk. Wait your boat talk. Wait your boat talk.
Go check Obo video, barrister.
Wait your boat talk.
Obo say if you won't give am paper, because of the woman attitude, not can give am. He said that the children fit give their mama. So go check Obo video.
Okay, the children fit give their mama passport.
Yes. Card, no passport, card, 5 years card.
5 years card. That one is another procedure again.
Go look up both video.
That one is another procedure again. Yeah.
So that is all procedure. If now one wants to give us na still procedure.
Yeah, now procedure, but for that children, for her to get document for that children, it go hard.
Go check for both video. Go look am.
It go hard.
Go look up both video. For there you go